how the fuck? Like, this is, I don't know what to say, but it's weird.
Not fucking hurt. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I know it's been a while, but hold up. If y'all not subscribed, tell your mama, your daddy, and your bald-headed ass granny, and your whole ass brothers and sisters, because y'all know they hoes. But yeah, you guys, this video is so fucking weird. Before the video starts, I'm in the car wash with Danny. Danny's helping me clean the car, and Danny empties out the passenger seat and the bottom of it, and then I see a hat. I just see all these things, and you guys will see, because I vlogged it. It just happened. I vlogged it. I just vlogged it so I can show you guys. So here's the vlog. Yeah, you guys, let's get this shit started because it's so fucking weird. Like, I just don't know. Like, I don't know who it is. Like, you guys, just let's start the video. The person who, you think the person who put that shit in my car is watching this? Alright, you guys, I don't have time to make an intro right now, but so we're here cleaning my car. Danny was being a real one, vacuuming, and then out of nowhere, what do you find under the seat?
Oh god, this is under his seat. This fucking black hat. It looks like it's already been used.
And it's not mine, I swear it's not mine.
Yes, I thought it was his, so I just threw it in the front so you could see it. And this was in there, used already, all beat up and shit.
And then, like, a minute later, he shows me this shit.
There's pepper spray and a fucking knife in there.
You guys, I never put none of this shit in my car. Like, I don't know how the fuck. Like, people I bring in my car, they don't bring that shit in. So I'm just trying to like, what?
This is, I don't know what to say, but it's weird.
Like, was someone gonna go behind my seat, take that shit out, slice me? Like, what? Has someone been in my car chilling? Like, no, I want to know what is this. Like, this is weird.
Text Shayna or somebody, because you know Shayna will be borrowing your car, you know.
Yeah, but where was she going? When you saw this, you didn't think nothing of it, or what?
Nigga, I seen this, and
you're like, all right.
And I seen this, but I thought it was something for your car until I looked at it and it said this shit. And then I threw it in the front. I was like, and then when you said this wasn't yours, and I seen the knife too.
That's when you were just
I was like, what the fuck?
That's when you were like, what the fuck?
What the
You guys. So my sister, Danny, my sister just told me that it's not fucking hers. She's the only second person who drives my car. You guys, I'm gonna find out. I don't know. I just found that shit out right now. This is fucking weird. Like, for real. I don't know what happened. That's scary. I'm gonna call Abby and see if it was her boyfriend. Abby.
Yeah.
Okay, so today I was cleaning my car and I found strange things, and it's not mine, it's not my sister's, it's not Danny's, I know it's not Brian's. I was like, so maybe it's yours or Jose's. It's a pepper spray with a guest hat and a knife.
What the?
So Jose doesn't have a guest hat?
No.
He doesn't have a pocket knife?
No.
He doesn't own a pepper spray. What the fuck?
What is it doing in your car?
I don't know, Abby. I don't fucking know. What?
Oh my god, that's so scary.
Abby, I really hoped it was gonna be yours or Jose's.
No.
Dude, that means someone's been in your car.
That means someone's been in my car.
That's weird because I feel like if you would have lost something, you would have told me you left something in your car.
Ask him, where is he?
He's at work, maybe text him.
To vlog.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
You sound like Stitch.
No, but guys, we're being dead ass for real. I don't know who that. I
I'm
really.
actually taking a shit right now when you call me.
Okay, but you guys, I'm being for real. I don't own none of that shit. I swear to God, I don't own none of that. And
I promise you guys, it's not mine.
And I'm trying to figure it out, like, who the fuck? And I be saying, this is crazy.
Damn.
Alright, I know I look a little crusty, but that's not, that's not important. Where is it? Anyways, you guys, so after I finished speaking to Abby on that video, after that, she called me right back, and she fucking told me that her fucking... That all that shit didn't belong to Jose, and I still don't know who the fuck that shit belongs to. And like I don't know what the fuck to do. Like the only person now I think it could be is Adrian and Elisa, and I have to call them and I have to see if it was them or not, because I need to fucking find out who left that pepper spray, that hat, and that knife, because I swear to God that's not mine. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm gonna call them right now